up, chat? Welcome back to Andrea's channel. We are gonna go to the Blue Mountains today. Very nature. It's gonna be a very, very fun day. Do you guys see how hot it is? No, you just see heaven. Okay. Gonna go with the family today. It's gonna be a very fun, spontaneous nature day out. And I'm gonna vlog it. We're here, everybody. Everybody, it's so windy. It's a perfect sunny day, actually. But it's very windy. But the wind is good. You can tell, right? Here is the Blue Mountains. Oh, wow.
No video vlog about the thing. That's the sister.
What such humbling lighting we have here. We're here, guys. It's very sunny. It's not too hot. The weather's not too bad. It's very windy though, but that's good. But yeah, so nice. My GoPro is in fact dying. I wanted to vlog fully on my GoPro one day. Hint on one day, not today. Yes. The Three Sisters. Wow. Rocks. Yes, foreheads. I'm gonna watch this vlog and realize that the wind is right. It was an hour journey from our house to here. I never read those. Also, I did a little bit of research regarding the Three Sisters history, and it's connected to Aboriginal traditions and the Katoomba tribe, the Darug people. Very cool story, but there's apparently different interpretations, which is really cool as well. But it's mainly the main story is about these three sisters that fell in love with three brothers from a rival tribe. Their father turned them to stone to protect them from the evil spirit. Protect him. Did not wear sunscreen. They're just really big on their mountains, castles, and the valley is beautiful. It is breathtaking to be here, guys. Gusto ko, kuan, railway. Ay, mo gusto. Skyway? Same mo ni Mami, Skyway. Okay, this is the Skyway. I want the railway, guys. It's like a roller coaster. And the cableway goes up. Okay. But the railway just goes down. So interesting. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. Libur ko nila madonggan ko. Layo kay ko. Makaan ka? Jadi ay. Pataka, uy, pataka. Where do we go? Taas? Saka ta? Are we going up? Kaleidoscope. You know what a kaleidoscope is? Wow, 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 wow. No way that's the line for the railway. The scenic railway.
Oh, no.
That's okay. I can stick to anything else. Guys, I think we were there.
Three Sisters is all the way there, I think.
Then, oh, sabi. And then these were the three sisters. Wow. I think that's the cableway, everybody. Or something. That's gotta be something. You're kidding. You're kidding. Ang linya sa Arsenic Railway. We're gonna get food. Anyways, let's eat. This is
It's not here yet because it's going really dark.
Alanay Falls! Falls! Katumba Falls! Ah, okay. Damn, girl, it's heavy! It's heavy! It's getting heavy! Ooh, they're going on the cableway. Yes. The elderlies are a bit too scared for the cableway, guys. There's two other skyways. No, that's a cableway. Why is it going down? They don't have to know the difference. Getting some dinosaurs for the kiddos. Oh, they got crystals. Why are there crystals in a dinosaur place? Alright, because they're scared. Bye, dinosaur. Scared children.
Hey guys, now I'm the camera girl.
Guys, turns out the scenic walkway was closed. But they were closing. We're at Lincoln's Rock. This is a big rock. Getting dizzy. I am dizzy. So windy! The wind's not a big deal. Very unstable edge. We've actually been here before, guys. It's really nice. We went here during winter and it wasn't too windy. Yeah, now it's summer. It's an amazing view. It's too bright. Okay. Goodness gracious. Last time, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. When here we went to like a little cave where we climbed. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh, kalma ng hangin. Balikod. We're in this like little cave. It's filled with the names, guys. Oh my. There's a bigger part of the cave where you can actually climb inside it. Maybe I can show you guys pictures of when me and my cousin climbed in. I'll pull them up here. Oh, sige.
Picture.
Oh, okay. Nagsulod mo dito itong kuan?
Dali mo. Di, itong katong nakita ni Dayan lang.
Ay, katong manunod may nagpicture dyan may dira.
Hindi na lang.
Ah. Ah, dali ako. Ah, okay. Let's get back up. Because the people are gonna leave me. Big smile, big smile. Back up. Oops. Back on Lincoln's Rock. Okay, yeah. I'll take pictures of you. Can you take pictures of me? Okay. More, go. Okay. Done? Okay, my turn. Wait, okay, go. Heading back to the car. It's 5:30, 5:32. It's still so sunny, but it's not as striking and painful as when it's noon. Hey everybody, this is Andrea the next day, but this is gonna be the end of my video. I hope you guys had an amazing time watching it. I'm looking more into making longer vlogs, and I hope that you guys had so much fun watching it and seeing the places with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.